All right, how's everyone doing tonight? So, as you heard by that nice, clever skit, my name is Kevin Reynolds, and I hope to be the CEO of the new app that I plan to develop. It's called ShopStar. So, how many of you love going into grocery stores? It's about, that's actually more than I thought. So, most of you then are like me. I absolutely hate going to the grocery store. It's aisles and aisles of stuff that my grocery list is usually milk, eggs, cheese, maybe something else, and I'm out of there. But what ends up happening is I spend all of my time roaming the aisles, trying to read the signs that are almost too ambiguous to really find what I really need. And I just wanted to get the introductory items that I wanted and be out of there, and I end up spending, what I hope to be 15 minutes, it turns into 30. So what I hope to do is fix this time management issue, fix this problem where people like myself spend way too much time having to do their daily shopping needs, whether it's grocery shopping or anything. So with that, I'm here to introduce ShopStar. So I've mentioned this about 3 times now, and I'm sure everyone's question in their mind is, okay, what is ShopStar? So ShopStar is many things, but what it will be is it's going to be an app that allows you to have handwritten technology that if I write down my shopping list, I can use it to scan into the app as well as to use the app to write down my shopping list. What this app will do is it will partner with grocery stores and other stores alike, and it will be tied onto the rewards programs. So what this app will do is it will take your shopping list, match it with the store, and it will tell you every single aisle that your item is in. Eventually, what it will also do is it'll tell you how far in the aisle, and it'll also pair with a similar type to Google Maps, and it will actually show you the fastest route to get all of your items to get in and out of the store. So what will take essentially 30 minutes to get in and out of a grocery store will now take upwards of 5 to 10. So what's the potential for buyers? Like, why would anyone want to invest in what I'm selling? Well, I go to the Giant over down on York Road, and I only go there. Why? Because it's the only store that, after going enough, I finally figured out kind of where everything is, which takes away from business from Safeway, which is right up there, as well as Target, which also sells grocery items as well. So what this app will do is it will take away the problem of that relationship where if you go into a store, you need to know your store in order to get in and out. What this will do is allow buyers to walk into any store to get any item they need and to be in and out to save time so that they have more time to do everything else that they need to do in their daily routine. What it'll also do is it will tell potential buyers what consumers plan to walk into the store with and what they also end up leaving with. So, for instance, me, I walk in with milk, egg, and cheese on my grocery list. It's in my app. The app will also be paired with the rewards program. I know that there's a sale on milk today, so I'm going to win there. My app already notified me. So that's what I'm going in for. But it's Halloween time, and my favorite cookies just came out, and they're on sale. So I'm picking up my cookies. Next thing you know, there's a lot of other items that I see that I just happen to run into. And now the store has that data to coordinate during which time of the year, which months, and at which times of the day consumers are coming in to buy items, what they intend to buy, and what they leave with. So this allows them to do coordinated promotions. This allows them to target their discounts to different buyers, so on and so forth. It also has the potential to completely redefine Black Friday. So everyone loves Black Friday, everyone loves the deals, but lately it's become more of an online thing because people just don't like the hassle of going into the store. What this app will do is, with the technology to show you where everything in the store is, it'll pair up with stores like Target or Best Buy. So you can go into the store and get right to the item that you need and get out as fast as possible, so that not only can you save money by getting the best deals, but you can get in, get out, and be home for lunch. Now that's an impressive thing. So, in conclusion, ShopStar is an app that will help you save time, be efficient and effective with your shopping, and it's not only going to fix my problem with the grocery store, but stores for everyone's consumption needs. So I believe that everyone can be a star with ShopStar. Thank you.
All right, let's hear it for Kevin Reynolds, right? So at this point in the Tiger Cage, we will now have our judges do a Q&A with our participant. 5 minutes on the clock, all right?
All right, nice presentation. It definitely seems like there's some potential. A few questions, maybe let's do them all at once so you can answer them.
Absolutely.
With the big efficient. First, what, I think you're saying that grocery stores will be the buyers for this? Is that how you will get paid? Is that how, and the second question, stores like having people wandering around. Time in stores means more stuff bought. They don't really want, or some stores, not all, but some stores want people to stay and not know where things are so they can have greater interaction, see more stuff, have impulse purchases and the like. This doesn't seem to diminish that. So those are two questions.
Okay. So is this on? Okay, cool. So with the grocery stores, that would be my intro market. That would be the most relevant market to platform the app and to really get buyers to introduce it to buyers. It'll allow buyers to get acclimated to it, to kind of figure it out. The stores that it would eventually market to would be able to promote it through their rewards program. And so what it'll do is it'll also be able to get marketed after it's established to stores like Target, Best Buy, any store that you can name that can provide difficulty or to get in and get out and needing to know where things are. Which leads into the second question. So yes, stores want people to spend time in their store, but as a consumer, in my experience, I do my research ahead of time so that I know exactly what to get and to get out. So as much as stores, I feel like, want to spend time in the store, what it'll also do is, yes, people will spend less time in, they'll be in and they'll be out. However, what it will do is it will give the potential buyer the data they need to retarget. It'll give them the idea of during which months what consumers are buying, what they wanted to buy and they didn't anticipate. So it'll give them all the data to retarget, to resell to the consumer, and it'll also allow them to basically get rid of the, so using the example, I go to Giant, but now I can also go to Safeway because I now can find everything no problem. It becomes, I'm sorry, I'm starting on my words, but basically what it will do is it will make the ideal situation the differences in price and the promotions. No longer will they be battling over the comfort, but they'll be battling over what is the best for the buyer, and that's where they will secure the target market.
So you do think grocery stores will pay you for this? That's the plan?
I do.
So if I heard you correctly too, the end game here is that the biggest pain in the market is the time that it's taking people, that they're wasting kind of wandering the store. At the end of the day, there's some big players in this market that are taking that idea but doing delivery with it, like Instacart and Amazon Fresh, which are completely even alleviating the need to go to the market. Everything's coming to us now. Do you think that you might be thinking like too close with the one idea here? Maybe there's a bigger picture out there that could play into it?
I do believe there's a bigger picture. I also believe that, with the development of this, there's more research that can, kind of widen the spectrum. The initial view, yes, would be, with those things like the Amazon and whatnot, where you can get them at your door, they are more expensive. So if you can save that time to go into the grocery store on the way home and, not spend 2 hours, but spend rather 30 minutes and be in and out to get all of your grocery shopping needs. I mean, my mom, I'm one of 5, so she's shopping for 5 kids. If she can get everything that she needs and get out of there, that'll alleviate the time.
Gotcha. And then how are you going to gain users?
Gain users. So as I mentioned, through the key partnership is using with the rewards program. All the grocery stores want you to sign up. They want you to come back. With the acclimation of that toward the app will send promotions. There's lists of coupons on the receipt, but not many people always look at the receipt unless they're coupon hunters. But if it's all in the app, then they know exactly, okay, Friday I'm going to get a deal on this, so I'm going to head to the store.
But how do you get them to get the app is what I'm saying,
So
if they don't have it?
It'll be social media promotion, it'll be in-store promotion, the partnership with the store will help promote it, and then it'll also be promotion at the actual stores once we gain buyers.
These aren't so much questions, more kind of, I guess, considerations, thought points for you. One, it seems your market, I don't quite believe the way you define the market, it seems your market is sort of between that customer who wants full convenience from online delivery and that other customer who likes to go in and browse around. So it's actually a relatively small set. Also, it seems to me that your market is for commoditized shopping experiences, like the grocery store, which I think is a great example, but Best Buy and others are not commoditized shopping experiences. Those are, you're going to get one or maybe two things and get out. So I think that's your market, but I do think there's value. I personally hate it when I need to get something and I have no idea where it is and I have to find 4 or 5 aisles. Exactly, it's in the back, wherever it is. Grocers do have the tracking technology to know where everything is in their, sort of within the various, grids in their stores. I would give it away for free to both stores and users. They have an incentive to give it away, and then what you would be selling are coupons. That as soon as people are walking down the aisles, you'd have food advertisers like the ones that are on the wall, but you'd be able to market sort of on an aisle by aisle basis based on what different brands would want, and that would give everybody an incentive to distribute it. So I do think there's a market. I think it's a little smaller than you thought, but coupons might be the way to do it.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, Kevin Reynolds.